Hi there, students. To surge, to rise rapidly, to zoom up, to swell, to flood like a tide. Okay, a surge is a powerful increase or an upward movement or a forward movement like the waves on the sea. So a surge, or to surge, is a rolling swell of water, a swell when the water comes up. And normally a surge is also temporary because the wave comes up and then it goes down again, okay? And like that we use it meaning a sudden increase. The wave surged against the side of the ship. Notice as well, you can very often you have a surge protector for electronics, and this is in case there is a surge, a sudden increase in the voltage or the current coming through. Don't confuse this word with surge, same pronunciation, S-E-R-G-E, meaning a woolen fabric. Okay? So, to surge, to increase. There was increased demand, and this resulted in a surge in prices. Okay, to surge, to move like an advancing wave. So, for a crowd, that's a really good word. The crowd surged forwards. The crowd surged onto the pitch. Yeah? You also have a word, an onrush. So maybe we are watching the onrush of the coronavirus as it surges forward towards us. So, a surge, a dramatic increase. You could also have the word an upsurge, yeah? Okay, it surges up. So, there was a surge in the Prime Minister's popularity when he reduced taxes. There is a surge in sales of masks and rubber gloves. Okay? So, we can also use surge for a strong rush of emotion. So he suddenly felt a rising surge of anger, or panic surged within him. You could have a surge of energy as well. Yeah, it suddenly increases. Maybe it'll go down again as well. The value of the pound surged as the Bank of England increased interest rates. Unlikely at the moment, I think. Okay, so to surge, a regular verb. Also as a noun, a surge. So what about formality? I think this word is neutral. You can use it informally, semi-formally, and very formally. So nice and flexible. I think I'd probably give it 5.5 in formality. Okay, this word comes from Latin, surgere, to rise, with the idea of rise and fall in the waves. Okay, so a surge of popularity. The crowd surged forwards. There was a surge in the voltage which burned the electrical circuits. There was a surge in interest, okay, when this appeared in the papers. But maybe it's temporary and it comes down again, okay? So an upsurge, an increase. So it's a nice simple word to use. Notice as well, a surge in prices, a surge in popularity, so that in as well. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Surge.